Woo-wee! Hey guys, we are in for a treat. I got a product for you guys that I've been wanting to review for a little minute. I'm obviously talking about the Powerbeats. This has been a product that I have been using over a month now, and I have a lot of good things to say about it. I'm gonna keep this video relatively short, and I'm just gonna give you guys the overall details about the product, and we're gonna talk a little bit about, you know, kind of everything you see from the outside going all the way inside of the product, so the internals and all that stuff, and compatibility and price and pretty much all those great things. First of all, before this video starts, I want to apologize if when I move there might be this sound because of my jacket. I was really feeling this jacket today, so I wanted to wear it. Guys, today you're here on this video for the Powerbeats Pro. This is a product that I am absolutely in love. I honestly, before anything, I seriously find that this product is just simply amazing. It really is amazing, and there's so many reasons why this product is amazing, and there's a lot of reasons why I love it, and there's also a pretty good amount of reasons why I don't think I'll go back to anything else. Like, I've tried these and I love them, and I don't want to change. I'm just really happy with this product. So let's start by looking at the overall shape and size of the product. If you look at the box, you can see it is slightly bigger than most boxes. This is their Pro model. This is the premium top of the end. I guess you'll instantly understand that when I give you the price point for these. Now be wary, the price point for these is pretty hefty, all right? 329 Canadian dollars. 329 might be the most expensive buds in-ear headphones on the market at the moment. So price range out of the way, if you know what you're gonna get into. This is a Pro model. It's an expensive product. It's definitely not within the more affordable ones, the more cheap ones, but it definitely holds its ground for multiple reasons. First and foremost, the box. It's pretty big, it's pretty hefty, definitely compared to any other in-ear wireless headphones. This is probably one of the biggest boxes I've ever seen. I'm actually comparing it to the AirPods 3rd generation. I've had those in the past. It's a product that I used for a little while, for like around a week, and I gotta admit that my final verdict of the AirPods 3rd generation wasn't that good. I didn't really like them that much. So I started looking elsewhere, and I started just browsing the internet, and then whilst I was looking online, I came across a couple of pictures of athletes. You know, I work out every now and then. I go to the gym, and I typically like to do a lot of sports in the summertime. I have to admit that the first thing that attracted me was really the design, the look of it. Pretty unique. It has that over-ear silicone strap here that just secures the headphone in your ear. Box size out of the way, it opens up like a pearl almost, so you open the case and you have the product inside. I really like the design, way more than the AirPods design. This like case where it opens kind of like a pearl, I really like it because it gives you that satisfaction. So every time you open it, you see the product and it's just like there showcased. You'll see here on the front there is a light indicator, so every time you open the box, you will see there's a light indicator letting you know that the case is charged. And other than that, there's about nothing left, only the charging port for the box, which is a lightning port. This is where the product really starts to become seriously amazing. Beats have always been amazing with battery. I have never had a problem. So on a single charge, you will be able to get up to 12 hours of charge in the case, and you'll be able to get around 9 hours of playback with a full charge of the Beats themselves. So straight up, when you take them out of the box and you plug them in, you'll have around 9 hours of continuous playback. One thing I have noticed with Beats over time is you don't have to charge them as often as you think you should. Seriously amazing. The battery on these things is just phenomenal. All those details out of the way, now that leaves us with the actual headphones themselves. So let's take one out here and have a quick look at what they look like. The design is it's very simple in a way, and it has a lot to offer despite it being very simple. First things first, you're gonna notice the colorway. This is the ivory colorway, which is like this light beige, light cream colorway. It's honestly a really good looking color. It's one of my favorite ones, but this, I just really love it. It's a great colorway. So looking at the details here, you're gonna notice that the first thing that stands out is really this over-ear silicone piece. This is gonna wrap around your ear. It's gonna hold the device onto your ear, and honestly, I'm gonna put one in right now. I'm gonna put it on my ear right now, and I'm gonna show you guys. These things do not move. So like if I try to move my head, I look really stupid right now, but like see, if I try to move, they're not going anywhere. Oh my god, that kind of gave me a headache. They're not moving anywhere, and I think this is a product that, say you're an athlete, say you do sports all the time, this is gonna be the one product that is gonna change how you go about your workouts and about your sports. So design wise, I think it's not for everybody, but I really think that if you were already considering this product, if you already like the design, if you already got past the fact that maybe might have been an issue for you, I'm here to let you know it's comfortable. You don't feel it. It's not annoying. It just secures the device in your ear, and that's pretty much it. So moving along, you'll notice here that the design actually is pretty intricate. So you have this piece here that splits into two sections. So you have the little nozzle that goes inside your ear. I used to never be a fan of this design. I just never liked it. It was never comfortable for me. But with this device, it works really well. It has a good compatibility with the over ear. You'll also notice that on the headphones you have a Beats logo, but this Beats logo is not just a logo, it's a dedicated button. One press will pause the music, two press, a double press will skip the song, and a triple press will go to the previous song. You'll also find the volume rocker right at the top of the headphone, right at the top of the buds. It's physical button that is double-sided, and I have to admit there's something about physical buttons that is so satisfying. So for example, the AirPods 3rd generation, when you had the little touch mechanism, we had the little touch feature on the little leg of the AirPod. I didn't like that. So that's pretty much all the small features you have on the headphones. Obviously you can change these little nozzles that go into your ears. You have different sizes. And now that being said, it fills my whole ear and it creates this natural sense of noise canceling. Now I know the product description doesn't have noise canceling in it, and these are not made with actual noise canceling features, but when you have them on and you have the right size of nozzle in your ear, it creates that natural sound canceling that I'm not sure where it's coming from, but I gotta admit it's amazing, and I wouldn't trade it for anything because it's basically a feature that just isn't there, but it is there, and you get to enjoy it as much as anybody else. Now, the star of the show is the sound quality. How do they sound? Are they good? Guys, this has to be the best sounding buds I've ever had in my life. They definitely live up to that high price mark. First things first, the highs, the lows, the mids, everything is amazing. Every layer on a song you'll be able to hear with these. Very crisp, it also gets very loud, so be careful. Do not put I recommend you do not listen to your music on full volume with these, because it gets really loud and it could damage your ears. And not to mention, on top of the fact that they're really loud, they are also very bassy. This is one thing I've always loved about Beats. Their products are always a little more bass heavy. Any song you'll listen to, you'll really feel that bass. It's there, bro. It's got that treble, it's got that very ambient feel, and listening to any song that you like on these headphones is gonna make you like the song even more, just because it sounds that good.
I'm in a G. That they're good.
Yeah, whatever you think.
They're very good. Quality stuff, good hearing, good bass. The bass, crisp, love it. Yeah.
So for a pair of buds, this is about as premium as it gets. It has a hefty price point, but it has a lot of features, a lot of conveniency to it. On top of all of that, if at this point you're not yet convinced, or you don't know what to think about these Powerbeats, this is the 2nd generation, meaning that they have more connectivity with Apple products. So they have Apple chip inside that allows them to connect to your phone just like any AirPods, just a different shape, different body and everything. But it's pretty much like an AirPod. Internally, it's kind of like an AirPod. So it connects as soon as you open the case, your phone will detect them. You put one headphone in, it'll instantly connect to your phone, and then you can just press on the button, on the physical button on the side, and it'll start playing your music. If you have both of them in, you'll be listening to music. If you take one out, the music will stop, just like on the AirPods. You have also a lot of features such as Siri, and she'll be able to take calls for you. She'll be able to announce text messages, announce notifications. And honestly, I'm becoming a fan of that. I've had this feature enabled on these Powerbeats for a little while, and I find it pretty convenient, because when I'm at the gym and I'm listening to some music, and I'll be getting like a FaceTime call or a phone call and everything, and it announces who it is. It's very convenient, because it'll just let me know who it is. So maybe if it's an important call, I'll be able to postpone it, or if it's just somebody, a friend of mine calling me, I'll answer quickly and I'll talk to them on that. The microphone quality on this is very good, nothing to complain about. It's not premium, it's not top of the line, but it's just enough, and people Anybody that I've talked to on the phone with these have not complained. They haven't even noticed that I was on a headset. So also, one last feature on this, when you put them back in the case, they charge magnetically. You'll see that there's two little magnets here, and they sit on the case right here. Magnetically clips in, and then that's how you charge the Powerbeats. And obviously when the case is out of charge, you just plug it in and let them charge. So guys, that pretty much wraps up all the information I have on the Powerbeats Pro. Yes, they have a pretty heavy price tag, but guys, I'm telling you, this is about as premium as it gets. I'm not trying to sell you this product, I'm just giving you my honest opinion. I've had these for over a month and I seriously think they're amazing. Honestly, one word to describe these: amazing. They're not perfect, they have some small flaws here and there, but I guess every product has its flaws. But I gotta say guys, I really like this product. As you can see, I have a smile on my face now because I'm just thinking about all the times I've used them and at the gym and how they deliver, man. It's just, maybe there's something in these for everybody. If you're somebody looking for a more of a serious product, something a little more advanced with more features, this might just be the one for you. With all that being said, that about wraps it up for this video. My final verdict: seriously amazing. Just overall great product. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, ring that bell notification so like that whenever I upload again, you will not miss out on a new video. And on that note, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for stopping by today. It's been a pleasure. I hope you learned about this product. I hope you have a better idea of what the product is like. And that's been it. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.